HairStyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly, at home, man bun haircut, get your hair trimmed up, and you're going to be needing a special friend, a helper. In this case, Grace will be helping me. And I'm going to show you how to trim down the sides. Usually I do like a 1 or a 2 buzz, and then the top I actually have like one really long length, and then actually the back I have as another like separate length, which isn't as long. So I actually have 3 lengths going on, and I'm going to show you how you can optionally trim the back and the sides, or you can leave the back, it's up to you. But here's how you can do it at home really quickly. I used to go places to get it done, but you don't need to. So let me show you how. So you're going to probably want a buzzer like you see here, along with some attachments for that, so you can actually change the length as you need. So each attachment you can see has a number on it. This is a number 5. And you're probably going to want some sort of clip so you can clip your hair down, really important. And then just to tidy up afterwards, some scissors. So you can pick up one of these kits pretty cheap, and it's probably going to cost you as much as one haircut would.
Tell me what to do. Show me how to feel under your control. Everything is real. So hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson. I recommend you pay attention. This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession. Head back, hands tied, mouth shut, eyes wide. Baby, I'm yours. I said, baby, I'm yours. Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to know. All right, so hair's looking a little bit better. You can see here, shaped down significantly on the sides. We ended up doing a 1. So now I gotta clean up all this. So I ended up picking up this ShaveWell fog-free shower mirror, which I'm actually going to use in there and set it up because my current one, you can see on the ground, it is not having it. It's pretty bad. So let's set this up. This is pretty straightforward. You can see I'm just supposed to remove the protective coating, throw this hook on the wall. There we go. Pretty straightforward. Glass off. And let's go put, hey, what up? Show me how to